bit LED effect project. Okay, using 555 IC. This is the 555 IC. We need 555 IC. Okay, this is the notch. Okay, pin number 1, 2. Okay, 1. Pin number 1, 2, 3, 4. This is the pin number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This is the 8. Total 8 pin IC it is. Okay, next we use here one BC547 transistor. This is a BC547 transistor of 3 terminals C, B, E as shown in this diagram. Okay, next we use here two LEDs. First LED, this second LED, two LEDs, and here we use two capacitors. One capacitor is 2200 microfarad, 25 volt. Okay, next another 1000 microfarad, 10 volt. 10 volt, 1000 microfarad. This is the 10K resistor. This is the 10K resistor and 22 ohm resistor. 9 volt battery, and this is the battery cap. Let's take IC 555 IC. Okay, short 2 to 6. Okay, 2 to 6 we short using link wire. To 6. Short using link wire. Okay, 2 to 6 short. Next take BC547 transistor. BC547 transistor. Connect to pin number 8. Okay, next from pin number 6 we connect one link wire to base. Next pin number 6 to 10 key register, the 10 key register. Then key register to pin number 3. Register to pin number 3. To pin number 3. Now from pin number 2 and pin number 1, between pin number 2 and 1 we connect one capacitor of 25 volt 2200 microfarad. Okay, this is the capacitor negative and this is the positive. Okay, positive is connected to pin number 2 and negative is connected to pin number 1. Next, to parallel this capacitor, we connect another capacitor of 10 volt, 1000 microfarad, positive positive, negative negative. This is the negative and this is the positive. Next, from negative of the capacitor, we connect one 22 ohm resistor. This is the 22 ohm resistor connected negative of the capacitor. Okay, for that we connect one LED. Okay, LED negative is connected to 22 ohm resistor and positive is connected to emitter of the transistor. Okay, this is the positive and this is the negative. Okay, negative is connected to resistor. LED negative. This is LED positive. Take another LED, connect parallel to this LED. Okay, take another LED, check the terminals by using battery. Okay, this is the positive and this is the negative. Negative is connected to negative. And positive is connected to positive. Okay, next. and connect positive of the battery cap to the pin number 8 and negative of the battery cap is connected to capacitor negative. Now the circuit is completed. Okay, test this circuit using 9 volt battery.